Watch me file a provisional patent online. First step is to go to the USPTO.gov website. This is the official website for the United States Patent and Trademark Office. We're going to go to Find It Fast and then click on the Patent Center link, which is going to bring us to patentcenter.uspto.gov. I'm logged in here under my Patent Center account. If you don't have one, it's free to create an account. It takes about 30 minutes. You have to verify yourself with ID Me. I'm going to click on New Submission. And because this is a provisional type patent application, I'm going to click on Utility Provisional link. I do not need to include an application data sheet or ADS with my provisional. That's one of the nice things about a provisional. So I'm going to select this option. On this next screen, you're going to fill in information about the application. You don't need to put in an attorney docket number unless you have multiple applications that you're trying to keep track of. Your entity status, make sure you're filing as the right fee level status. I'm going to choose micro entity just for the sake of this demonstration. It's giving me a warning here. Make sure you read this and that you properly qualify as micro entity status. I've got a separate video on that I will link below. I'm going to type in my title of my invention. Title should be very short and simple and generic. I'm going to type in the first name of the inventor. If you have multiple inventors, you will list those in your provisional application cover sheet. And then finally, I'm going to click on this link to provide a physical address. Here, you're going to want to type in a real mailing address because the patent office will still be mailing you paper documents. I've now filled out this form. Notice that there's no dashes in the telephone number. If you have dashes in there, it will give you an error message. When I hit the continue button, this is where I can actually upload the different files that we've been working on for our patent application. In my case, I've got 4 files that I'm going to click and drag in to upload. The first one that I need to tell the patent office what it is our micro entity certification form. We're going to choose micro entity based on gross income basis. It already detected my drawings file, which is good. I need to tell it that this is my specification file. And finally, I need to tell it that this is going to be my cover sheet file. Cover sheets are required for provisional patent applications. I do have a warning here. This is not an error, it's only a warning, so I can still go ahead and submit it. I'm going to hit the continue button. It's asking me to verify my fee status level. Remember, we chose micro entity on the first step. Again, here's the warning about filing as a micro entity, and I'm going to hit the continue button. Very important on this page, you actually have to click the box here to inform the patent office that you're going to be filing the $65 filing fee, which is the micro entity filing fee for this provisional application. If you forget to check this box, you will be able to pay for the application and then it will let you submit it, but it's not going to be a proper filing because you haven't actually paid the fee yet. I'm going to hit continue. This is your last chance to verify everything is correct. You actually want to go in and click preview and really take some time to scroll through each of your files. Sometimes I've seen missing pages, I've seen errors in formulas, I've seen weird characters. You want to make sure that everything is uploaded and looks the way that it's supposed to look. Once you've gone through and verified all of your files are correct, you can hit the submit button. Very important, after you hit submit, it might look like you're done, but you're really not done because there's going to be another blue button that you need to click to actually pay the fees for the patent office. If you don't pay the fees, you don't have a valid patent filing. If you head over to our website, patentfile.org, I've got a free template that you can download. It's actually the same one I just showed you in the pop-up window on how to actually write the patent application for free.